reason, sir? Step out. Step out. What is your reason? Step out now. All right.
Get on the ground.
No, don't touch it.
Get on the ground.
What began as a routine traffic stop in Jacksonville, Florida, quickly escalated into one of the most controversial police encounters of the year. Deputies pulled over a 22-year-old driver for multiple traffic violations. The driver repeatedly questioned the stop and refused commands to exit the vehicle, leading to deputies shattered the window, forcibly removed him from the car, and took him to the ground. This encounter sparked nationwide debate over whether officers used reasonable force or crossed the line.
Yes, sir.
Is there a reason why you're popping the door open like that?
I don't have a window that works. Is there a reason that you're pulling me over?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a reason why I'm pulling you over. For one thing, inclement weather, you don't have your lights on. Two things, you're not wearing your seatbelt.
It's daylight. I don't need the lights. And it's not weather. It's not raining.
Oh, this is an inclement?
It's not raining.
Okay, I'm not arguing with you. I'm telling you why I'm pulling you over. Give me your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
No, call your supervisor. Why?
Excuse me?
Call your supervisor. Why did you pull me over?
77, 35. I'm properly dog driver. I've already told you.
Why did you pull me over?
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out of the vehicle. 25 seconds. For 9-4, the driver just slammed the door and locked it. Yep. Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. Yep, my camera's on too. I've already told you. Okay. Okay. Right now you're under arrest for resisting. You understand? You're under arrest for resisting. The longer you take us on, the worse it's going to be. Sir, this is your last warning to open the vehicle and exit before we're going to break the window. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Hey, I'm about to break the window. I'm about to break the window. Exit the vehicle now! Exit the vehicle! Show me your hands.
Here.
33 at 16:21 hours.
I'm here. What is your reason, sir? Step out. What is your reason?
Step out now.
All right.
Watch crosswalk.
What is your reason, sir? Step out. Step out. What is your reason?
Step out now.
All right.
Get on the ground.
No, don't touch it.
Get on the ground.
Stop fighting.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm resisting.
Hands behind your back.
What's wrong with you?
What you mean? I was putting my hands behind my back. I was going wrong.
Ain't no talking now, man. Ain't no talking.
And I'm just trying to have a regular conversation with y'all, bro.
That's not how it works.
It ain't no too late. Your partner
Actually, step out of the vehicle. You should have done that shit.
Sir, your partner didn't even act.
Marijuana in his right pocket.
Yes, it is.
So why close the door if you see him pull up?
Because, man, what you mean? He talking about arresting me and stuff, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Resisting, idiot.
I didn't do nothing wrong, sir. Can you back me up to the car so I can lean up? Sit up. You just buckle my shit, bro.
All right, come on. We're going to go around and get in this car.
Okay. This one?
Yeah, but over here. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, I'm Officer Miller. Are you the owner of the car? I mean, I presume you can see we had to smash the window to get him out. We explained it would have been a civil traffic stop. Maybe he had a ticket at most. But what ended up happening is he refused to get out of the vehicle. We had to block the car in. I know. I can say this right now. Your car is full of glass everywhere. So that is up to you whether or not you want to drive it, however you want to do it. But like I said, it would have been a simple traffic stop. It would have been a simple ticket, possibly at most. And then he wants to lock the doors, refuse to exit the vehicle. He wants to record it. So we are taking.
I know that the window don't go down.
Yeah. Well,
and all he had to do was say,
correct.
"The window don't go down."
So
open the door.
So he did that, but he opened the door. He slammed it, and then he refused to get out of the vehicle numerous times with a large knife at his feet.
Can I see your driver's license?
And then he rolled down those windows, and I said, "Look, you need to step out of the vehicle. We're requiring you to do so."
You know what? I want to thank y'all for not killing me.
Well, like I said, that's not our job. You know what I mean?
Well, I know, but
Yeah.
with the weapons, I know you got a
Yeah.
BB gun in there. I know he carried knives and all of that. So
Yeah.
I know,
So
he keep that there.
because
come out with it or anything like
yeah,
that.
no. So because of that, we had to smash the window. He's gonna go to the. We're gonna take him to the jail. We don't know if they're gonna. He'll get looked at and all that. He's good, but I just wanted to make you aware. Okay, so if you want to check the vehicle out, you're more than welcome to do so. It's gonna be for resisting without violence. He's gonna have 3 tickets. There's also gonna be possession of narcotics because he had some of that on him, and then
Not weed.
it's still narcotic, so it's considered narcotic. For
A
us.
lot of it.
I wouldn't say a lot, but enough. So, and all it could have been was, hey, we're going to take your weed, have a good day, and maybe get a ticket at most, you know what I mean? So, let me make sure I got what I need to get out.
You know the key in that because
Yeah, you're more than welcome.
Yeah. And if you want to, obviously.
can I say something to him or not?
No, we can't have anybody talk to them. Yeah, we can't have visitors with inmates.
It's on the safety subject is of course friendly Rodriguez looking like
I don't know.
black and blue right
Because
now.
he's a first responder. He's in college,
Okay.
and they gave that to him when he took.
Okay. So obviously that just that always throws up flags for us because a lot of people that have that, it's for
No, he's
the narcotics they use.
He's in college now.
Okay.
Let me ask you this: has he ever had like issues with police before?
Never.
So let me.
He's a college student in North Carolina. He just came home the other day because our auntie passed away yesterday. So yeah, we live down there.
No, I'm not talking about over there. I'm talking about over here.
Down this street, he was leaving home to go lock up some apartments where he'd been working at all day.
Okay. So not a narcotic house that he was observed leaving from?
No, no. He takes the back roads because my tag was expired because I just had a birthday on Friday, and then I guess something wrong with his license. But
Where do y'all live now
drives.
currently? Not Vernier?
No, a few streets over from here. We don't even stay 3 minutes from here.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Alrighty.
So is there any way you might can give him a break on some of the charges? So
Unfortunately not. Not when you want to resist police and we have to smash the window out and rip you out of a car and then you still want to try to fight us? No, we can't.
Because we had to use force, you have to do it.
Yeah.
he not hurt up in that, right?
No. Hey, just keep it clean.
From you? God damn, you see that knife?
Yeah, I know. That's one of the biggest concerns.
Yeah, you see what's right there, right there on the seat?
What? This?
Dark can.
Oh, yeah, 1000%.
He's coming from phone or the left phone house.
Hey, is this him? Pass that off to him.
Following the incident, the driver was arrested and the body camera footage quickly spread across social media, generating millions of views and intense public reaction. Supporters argued the officers used excessive force during what began as a routine traffic stop, while others pointed to the driver's refusal to comply with repeated commands. The encounter has since fueled ongoing discussions about police procedures, use of force, and citizens' rights during traffic stops. As always, watch the footage for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe the deputies handled the situation appropriately, or did this traffic stop escalate further than it should have? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more police body cam footage and law enforcement encounters.